Good morning everyone. Today I am going to take your SST class. So please open your SST book at page number 61. In this video we will learn about festivals. So look at the book and say with me. There are some special days. We celebrate these days with great joy. They are called festivals. There are many kinds of festivals. Our country observes many important festivals. All Indians celebrate these festivals. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August every year. Our country won freedom on this day. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort on Independence Day. So, student, festivals are fun. We should celebrate all the festivals of unity. Independence Day. It is one of the most important days in Indian history. India became free from British rule on 15 August in 1947. On this day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Okay? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Our President takes the salute at a grand parade on Republic Day. India became a republic on this day. Have you seen a Republic Day parade? Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January of every year. On the Republic Day, India became a democratic country. There is a grand parade in which the Army, Navy and Air Force participate. Okay? Gandhi Jayanti is another important national festival. It is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma. Now turn over the next page. Gandhi. We also celebrate many religious festivals throughout the year. Every religion has its own important festivals. People get together on these festivals and rejoice. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. He was a great freedom fighter. Because of him, India became free from British rule. So, we called him father of the nation. Students, did you know? Mahatma Gandhi is also called Bapuji, of the father of the nation. Children loving him called Bapuji. Hope this is clear to you. If you have any problem, you can call me. Bye students. Thank you.